doing?
Packing chicken. Why, you ask? Our refrigerator just went out.
I was at class and I got home and Rob was on the deck with bad news. Our refrigerator quit running. Is your refrigerator running? Anyway, so we, of course, yeah, our refrigerator's not running. But of course, when these things happen, we had 2 boxes, like 50-pound boxes of chicken.
Yeah, so.
In the garage fridge.
I bought
2 of these.
I bought 2 of those.
Big boxes of chicken breasts.
This is how many. That's how many breasts. Look at this thing. I bet there's 20 of those packages, 2 breasts in each one. And they're big. Big
breasts.
Breasts.
So anyway, we're packing those. It's 9 o'clock at night, and we have to move this out of the garage fridge into the deep freeze so that we can put all of the refrigerator stuff out in the garage fridge. And then tomorrow, drop some dollar bills for a new fridge. Can't see nothing.
Can't see nothing. Oh, wait. Watch what you're filming. Oh, my word. We should probably start eating some food before we buy any more. So, I have a bit of a problem. I am, oh, that didn't make it. Dang it.
His name's Rob, and he's
I'm a food hoarder.
A food hoarder.
Although it makes me feel really good. There's nothing I like more than stock shelves, a full freezer, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Stock shelves and a full freezer. Nothing makes me happier.
How many mustards do you buy at Meijer when they're 10 for 10?
20. I mean, look at this, people.
This is ridiculous.
That was 1 box of chicken.
I don't know that we're gonna have room for the second
I
box.
think we're gonna have to go to Memos.
Yeah. So here's what they look like bagged. And all I can see in my kitchen right now is just
Did you wipe up the salmonella?
salmonella.
All over the...
Salmonella. Rob just spilled salmonella all over my floor. Oh, that's...
Look at it right there.
oh my gosh. Don't!
Why?
You can't see it, but because I need to wipe that up.
Chicken poison on the floor! Ah!
Oh gosh. Just look, a line of bacteria. A line of bacteria. This is my worst nightmare.
I spilled chicken poison all over the floor. What'd you get? Come here.
A Fitbit! I got a new Fitbit and I saved $80 for it.
Nice. How'd you save $80?
I cleaned out people's cars.
Good for you.
And I just take my money to get and a drone. I got
Get what?
a drone.
You're not getting a drone.
And I saved up. I used my Christmas money toward it.
Yeah.
And look, I can do this.
Lessons learned. Lessons learned.
You guys are not safe.
It's a food saver.
You measure out your bag, you cut it with a slicer, you fill the bag, you suck out the air.
Well, after you've cut it, you flip this down again, and it seals the bottom. Right there. Then, You put your salmonella in the bag.
Your chickenella.
You put your salmonella in the bag.
The drippier the better.
So what if, is this salmonella or is it E. coli?
No, it's it might be E. coli, I guess, but it's salmonella.
So, I know what it ain't. The Rona. Alright, so I'll make one more bag. Now for the business end things.
Make it, okay. Oh my gosh.
You just wipe this
You
out.
flung that liquid at me. Like seriously, there's few things worse than raw chicken.
We've been eating chicken all our lives. I've never.
I said raw chicken.
But you've eaten raw chicken. Remember that time at?
yeah, I do. It was an orange chicken bowl, if that gives you a clue.
Yeah, we ordered some.
A deep fried chicken.
What was orange?
Bites.
It was an orange chicken bowl.
It was an orange chicken bowl, but the chicken bits were deep fried, and they were deep fried, and they were raw. On
From a restaurant that has a fruit.
Rhymes with Smapple trees.
I don't know how they let that leave the building. Oof, that was you, not me. Because I didn't get orange chicken. What'd I get?
No, your food was fine. Didn't even share. I just sat there and stared at you hungry.
Let's not kid ourselves. You're afraid you're on shadow.
Okay, no, I'm not. Here's a story to prove it. We caught a mouse the other day in a mouse trap, and I went and picked up the trap with my bare hands and put that little trap in the mouse in a grocery bag, tossed that sucker in the trash can.
Boom!
Sure did.
I don't know if you can see if the camera does this thing justice. I got a pretty big hand.
Yeah, you do.
I mean, I got a pretty big hand. This is some hormone-laced, injected
Chicken growth hormone.
steroid chicken. Yeah, CGH, chicken growth hormone.
It's on the gear.
It is on the gear. This chicken is on the gear. Or
I'll probably
it was.
I'll probably grow a beard. Start wearing flannel.
All right, we got everything put in there last night. I think we got done around 10 o'clock or so. We were up for a while packing meat. I'm getting ready to get my trailer, and then I'm gonna go buy a new refrigerator. We gotta load it up.
Old fridge. But it won't fit through the door. So we had to take the doors off. Good thing we have this ramp.
No, bad thing. It'll loosen the
Yeah.
Good thing I got you to help.
People will watch. I found this flower.
It's all fun and games till I get ran over by a
Refrigerator.
A rogue refrigerator.
Quick.
Now, let me explain something about the new fridge. We bought, our old fridge is 20 cubic feet side by side. This is just a cheap 18 cubic foot white top freezer, bottom refrigerator, because our plan is that we'll be down to the kitchen renovations within the next year or two, and it didn't make sense for us to spend a whole bunch of money on a really nice fridge when we don't really even know what we want when we redo the fridge. So we bought this, and when we get to the kitchen remodel and buy the fridge that we want, like our permanent refrigerator, this one will go in the garage to replace the one that we have out there now, which was given to us. And it's pretty old too, so that's why this is, it's not a dorm fridge, it's not an apartment fridge, but it's a petite little refrigerator. Should you like take the box off? Oh. All right. They were always
quality.
typos in it.
So I don't really want it level. I want it going back that way.
Like tilting back.
So the door will shut. But it's got a thing right there. That's all right. If you're level and you don't push it hard enough, it'll go. Stay right there. No freezer. No Frigidator.